Hey, second grade, we're at lesson 77. We're going to start with our sight words here. Here is America, animal, early, earth, finally, government, herd, learn, several, and usually. If those were a little tough for you, rewind and start again and go over these words with me. All right, let's go ahead and get out 77 and get these sound review box cooking here. All right, repeat after me. Repeat like book. Go ahead and write it. 2 letters represent the sound. Okay, check with me. Next is number 2, R. Repeat like a jar of stars. Combination AR. Number 3, shh. It's a digraph. 2 letters represent that sound. Check with mine, SH. Number 3, O. Repeat. Go ahead, write it. There's a couple of choices here. O consonant E, comma O in the final position. O like snow and bow. Number 5, here's a new one. See if you remember J. Repeat. Good. Jack in the Box and giraffe. When G is followed by an E, I, or a Y, it sounds like the soft J. Number 6, E. Repeat. Lots of ways, like a bumblebee party. E, comma E in the final position, also E, or a vowel Y in a 2-syllable word. Next is number 7, Oi. Repeat. Good, write it. Both of these say the Oi sound. The OI is found in the beginning and in the middle, the initial and medial positions, and OY in the final end position. Number 8, like feather, and this and that. TH. And number 9 is ch, like chicken, ch. CH. All right, pause and catch up if you need to. Review words today. Number 10 is toy. Repeat toy. T. Oi. Oi in the final position. OY. Number 11 is crow. An animal, a crow. Repeat. Crow, like bow. Number 12 is shout. Repeat. Shh. Ow. Ow is a diphthong, and the medial position is represented by OU, like mouse. T. Okay. And here's our sight word section. I have to turn my page. Earth is the first one. Earth can be a common noun or a proper noun. This is the common noun earth. It's kind of like dirt. You dig a hole in the earth. But if this was the planet Earth, it would be a proper noun with a capital E. Number 14 is finally. Go ahead and write it. Very helpful word when doing the sequence or the order of a story or a writing. Check with mine. And this is a pretty long one. Government. 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 Might have to pause and make sure you have all the letters. We're going to go ahead and skip the dictation sentence today. Make sure you practice typing them. That's pretty important too, since that's how you're assessed. And I'd like you to listen to some words and repeat after me today. All right, please echo these words. Badge, fudge, and lodge. Listen for the sounds they all have in common. Badge, fudge, lodge. What sound do you hear that they all have? J. Just like our J and our G, it sounds like J. But this time there are 3 letters making that J sound. Let's take a look at these words and see if we can figure out what they are. Here is the word badge, like a sheriff wears a badge. Here's the word fudge. Who doesn't love to eat fudge? And a lodge is like a ski lodge, a place you can go on vacation, kind of like a hotel. Okay, what three letters represent the J sound in these words? D, G, E, very good. And what do you think three letters that make one sound is called? It is a trigraph. A trigraph is similar to a digraph, except it has three letters that make one sound instead of two. But they're coded the same way. So D, G, E are the letters that represent the J sound. And we're going to underline D, G, E because they are trigraphs. All right, let's finish coding out these words. D, G, E, when you code them, the G is that soft J sound. You don't hear the D, you don't hear the E. So cross out the D and the E, soft G sound. Cross off the D and the E, soft G sound. Okay? DGE is after short vowels, so we're going to breathe these vowels. Okay? And here is our letter cards. Trigraph, DGE, repeat. Good. And bridge, J. Bridge, J. All right, today we're going to do something a little different. Let me wait on that. Let me show you. Let's go back to our page we were working on. All right. Go ahead and find that page again. Now, new sounds and words. We're going to go right to our new sound inside of a word. Here is the first one, edge. Edge is spelled E, like elephant, and then J, D, G, E, that trigraph following that short vowel. Okay, go ahead and write it. This is new, so I don't expect you to write it on your own. Number 2 is that word fudge, something you eat, fudge. Fudge is spelled with an F, and then U, and then that D, G, E. Okay, short U followed by a D, G, E. That sounds like J. And number 3 is dodge. Raise your hand if you like to play dodgeball. It's always a fun game. Dodge. D. Start like a C, remember. Odd. J. Ball. Okay. Practice your high frequency and word boxes with your teacher at home. What I was saying we're going to do a little different today is I'd like you to be independent and go through that next page, coding and RUWing everything, and then I'm going to show you the answers, okay? And I think that's important to be able to make sure that you're able to do it on your own. And if you are missing something and you need to fix something, that's okay, but be self-reflective. Think, man, I forgot how to code whatever it is, and keep working on that for next time. Or RUW is hard for me. I missed one. Maybe I should do some extra practice on the back. So that's important to have that self-reflecting. So go ahead and pause this video. Do worksheet 77 on your own, and then come on back. All right? Thanks, guys. Welcome back. I'm going to have you go ahead and pause the video in order to see the answers and be self-reflective. If you missed a code or two, see if maybe it's the same code you keep missing. If it's an RUW you're missing, where is the evidence that I underlined that I proved my answer with, so I can convince you that my answer is correct. Okay? Thanks, everyone. And again, if you're struggling with a certain area, do the back with your teacher at home as well. All right. Thanks, everyone.